Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. How's everyone doing today? It's still rainy and dreary, but warm and cozy on the inside. And like I told y'all in my previous video, I wanted to do a little Christmas treat, a little Christmas snack today. So that's what I'm gonna do with you guys in preparations of the upcoming holiday, the Christmas season. But today, I reached out to my neighbor and I said, can I make y'all a little Christmas dessert snack today in honor of Carlin's 16th birthday? My neighbor that gives me all the farm fresh eggs that I use, her daughter turned sweet 16. So I'm gonna make this dip, three reasons. One, because I see it this time of year just go crazy viral on the internet and on social media. I see it all the time, but I've never tried it. So I want to make it today, okay? And the second reason, if it's a hit and I like it well enough, I want to make it again when all my grandbabies are going to be here for Christmas, for them to have a little snack. So third reason, for sweet Carlin, for her birthday. So let me tell y'all what we're going to be doing. We are going to make, I know you've all seen it. It's everywhere right now. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, it's out there right now. I'm seeing it pop up in my news feed all the time. I'm like, okay, y'all know I'm always the last one to the game. So I'm going to make it today. I'm going to make the Little Debbie's Christmas tree dip. Okay, that's what we're going to do today. And y'all come on in and hang out with me while I put this. It looks easy and simple and delicious. So we're going to give it a try, okay? It said to take 5. Of course, you can make less or you can double this recipe, okay? It said to take 5 Little Debbie's Christmas. Can y'all see me okay? Let me turn you down just a tad, okay? I may cut my head off, but y'all need to see what I'm doing down here. It just said, just to make the next step easier, just to go ahead and to chop your Little Debbie's cakes up, making the blending and the mixing part of it easier. So that's what we're doing. And you know, if you love these Little Debbie Christmas cakes this time of year, then what's not going to be to love about this dip? So my daughter has always loved these little Christmas tree cakes. Matter of fact, when I buy them, she's who I have in mind most of the time, not my grandkids. Let me straighten y'all up just a little. She loves these. And she's got earrings and a sweatshirt, all the things about these Little Debbie. And yes, she's in her 30s, but she's still a kid at heart. So anyhow, okay. So I've got those chopped up pretty good. So what we're gonna do next is I have got a block of cream cheese, just Philadelphia cream cheese. And I'm gonna put the cakes right in on top of the cream cheese. I'm trying to use all my Christmas colors. Y'all see that? Make it staying with the Christmassy theme. I mean, all the videos that I see of this, I mean, the final product looks absolutely delicious. So I'm sure there's nothing not to love about this. Okay, and then we're gonna do a 1/2 of a teaspoon of vanilla. I like vanilla, but just a little bit more. Okay, I've got some new followers. So this is my vanilla. This came from Mexico. My in-laws went on a cruise and brought me this back from Mexico. Okay, that's where I got my vanilla from. Okay, And so then it just said a splash of milk. Okay, a splash or two. Yeah. And then we take it. And guys, I'm going to turn this on low. So basically right now we're just mixing the cakes with the cream cheese and the vanilla. Making sure that's really finished. And I think I'm going to add just a splash more of milk because I'm really not adding that much milk, just like a capful. So as of right now, that's 3 capfuls, okay? Okay. Wow, that looks delicious. Smells delicious. Let's not waste any of that goodness. Like I told y'all, I want to do several little Christmas ideas with you guys throughout the Christmas holiday. Okay, let's set that out of the way. Okay, and then the next thing that you do is you fold in Cool Whip. I'm going to start just by using about half of the container and just fold that in to your cake mixture. Boy, does this smell good. Go all the way down to the bottom because that's where your cake is. You want to make sure you fold that Cool Whip in with so it gets throughout all of that batter. I can still see the batter, so I'm going to keep folding till I feel like it's like I said, I'm probably the last one to make this. Everybody's already made it, but I said I'm going to give it a try. Okay, I think that is... Got my little Christmas bowl. We're going to put it in. My neighbor was like, I said, can I get, she was like, oh, yes, absolutely. We'll gladly take it. She's got 2 teenagers, so I know they're going to love this. I know one thing. It smells very, very good. Okay, we're not done. But I'm going to show you this before I... Let's see what color sprinkles I want to use. Let's do some green sprinkles. And some blue and white and green sprinkles. I may have to, I think those look, let me see. I may have to, well, I might have to play around with that. Okay, there we go. I was like, those look too big to come through those little tiny shaker holes, but they're just a bigger sprinkle. But these are little blue and white and green stars. And then there was one more cute little green sprinkle. I'm going to do some Grinch cupcakes or some Grinch cookies or something and use some of these sprinkles. And I do have red and white sprinkles too, but I'm saving them for something else. Okay? All right. And then the last little thing it showed to do, guys, was take one little cake so that people know exactly what's in here. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so we've got some graham crackers that we're going to serve up with this. And then I'm going to show y'all this beautiful platter that and I'm going to show you one other thing. Show you just different ways that you can serve this up. Make room, clean my mess up just a little bit. I have got cookies, pretzels, graham crackers, just different. You use vanilla wafers. You use whatever you want to serve it up on. But isn't that just the cutest little idea? I love it. I don't know why I waited so long about trying to make it, but oh, I felt like I got, maybe not. I thought I'd done wiped some dip on my forehead. Well, it wouldn't be surprising. Guys, let me get a little cookie. And y'all, we're going to give this a taste. And that's all I'm going to take out of it, because I'm not going to double dip, because this is going to my neighbor. So I'm using a clean spoon. Y'all already know. Drop me a comment if you've had this before. No wonder everybody raves about it and everybody makes it during the holidays. Gigi always slow to the game. That's good. Let me show y'all some of these cookies. I love to buy these butter Danish cookies. Every year I always get this big old huge tin can. I buy it at Sam's. So if y'all have a Sam's, but it comes with all those butter cookies. I use them throughout the holidays for different times. Company coming in. I've got some of them displayed on this platter. And y'all, I just think it made a darling little board. A very little festive Christmas board. Y'all seen how quick and easy, very few ingredients, cream cheese, Cool Whip, 5 Little Debbie cakes, chopped up, 3 capfuls of milk and a little splash of vanilla, some sprinkles, and then whatever you want to serve it with. And let me turn it down. Let me turn y'all down so you can see the. And you can display it on whatever you want. I started to do it on a Christmas platter, which you could certainly do. And I have Christmas platters that I'll use for something else. But I just thought this little round charcuterie board would display this perfectly. So that's what I chose to go with. So anyhow, y'all know it's driving me crazy. I think, hang on. I need to see some red. So I think I'm going to put some little red stars in there too, just for a little pop of red color. And I just threw a red little sprinkle down there. It's just that the red and the blues are mixed together, and I've already put blue on there, but here we go. I just need to see some pops of red in there. Just bring out there we go. I put a little red in there too. It makes me feel better. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank y'all for coming into my kitchen and hanging out with me. I feel like my head's cut off. I don't know. I was trying to angle it down so y'all could see this. But thank y'all for hanging out with me again today and for helping me keep me company while I put this little snack charcuterie board together. And hey, make this for your family. This isn't just for kids. Y'all know, grandkids, adult kids, I mean, old and young alike is going to love this. So yeah, y'all be sure to give it a try during this holiday season. If you're like me and you're late in trying this, try it with me. Give it a try. I think that you'll love it. And I've got a little bit left in this bowl that didn't fit in my bowl. I'm gonna let me try it with a pretzel. I like sweet and salty together. I might like that. I might like that sweet and salty together. Almost reminds me of a pretzel dipped in chocolate. You know how it's sweet and then you get that salty from the pretzel. I like that a lot with it. So give it a try. I'll see y'all back here again tomorrow. We'll do another recipe together. Stay warm, stay dry if it's raining where you're at. Be the hands and feet of Jesus and his mouthpiece. Make this dip. Put some crackers in some little baggies and put some of this dip in a little lock and seal bowl that you don't care if it gets returned to you or not, and take this to someone and gift it to them during the season. Take it to an event, your Sunday school Christmas party, your work party, whatever you got going on. This is a quick, easy something to fix up, okay? Be kind. Show the love of Jesus. Show the true reason for the season, okay? I love y'all. I'll see you back again real soon in my kitchen, and we'll do another recipe together. Bye, guys.